Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Qatar? Let's explore. Construction is one of the biggest industries in Qatar, fueled by ongoing development projects. The average annual gross salary is about $14,400 or around $1,200 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is about $12,800 or $1,060 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In large cities like Doha and Al Rayyan, salaries are usually higher. In smaller towns, the pay tends to be lower. Experience matters too. Beginners may earn around $10,000 a year, while experienced or specialized workers can reach up to $20,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.